Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to retouch a photo using Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Go to the folder where you have your picture. This is the picture we are using for this tutorial. Click, hold, and drag to Photoshop. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. I will name the layer Blemish. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool. You can see that there are pimples on her face, which is what we will remove. At the Option menu bar, you can adjust the hardness and size of the brush. With the Spot Healing brush, just be left clicking on the rough part which you want to get rid of. Just follow through as I am doing it. You can increase or decrease the brush size using the bracket key on your keyboard. You can see the before and after. Press Ctrl-J twice to duplicate. I will name the down layer Low Frequency Color. The up layer High Frequency Details. Make the up layer invisible. Select the down layer. Go to Filter at the menu bar, select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 5 pixels. Then click OK. Make the up layer visible back. Select the layer, then go to Image at the menu bar and select Apply Image. This dialog box will open. Open the layer and select Low Frequency Color. Change the blending mode to Subtract. Let the scale be 2 pixels and offset 128 pixels. Then click OK. Change the blending mode to Linear Light. You can see the before and after. Select the Low Frequency Color layer. Right-click on the layer. Click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter at the menu bar. Select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 47 pixels. Then click OK. Select the white box, press Ctrl I to invert. Select the brush tool. Let the opacity be 100% and the flow 100%. Set the foreground color to white. Then click OK. With your brush tool, brush over the skin to make it smooth. You can reduce the brush size using the bracket key when brushing the part that is not wide. Make sure you brush carefully to maintain the shape of the picture. Just keep following the process. In case you make any mistake while brushing, just press Ctrl Z to undo. Go to the option menu and reduce the opacity of the brush. Increase back the opacity to 100%. You can see the before and after. Select the first layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and click Curve. Click, hold, and drag the line up. Name the layer Dodge. Open the adjustment layer again and click Curve. Click, hold, and drag the line down. Name the layer Burn. Select the white shape and press Ctrl-I to invert. Do the same on the burn layer. Select the Dodge layer. Select Brush Tool. Set the opacity to 10 pixels. Zoom in. Make sure the foreground color is white. You can increase or decrease the brush size using the bracket key. With the brush tool, brush over the highlight part of the picture. The Dodge layer is for the highlight, which is the light part, and the burn layer is for the shadow, which is the dark part of the picture. You can see the before and after. Select the burn layer. With the brush tool, brush the shadow part. Just keep following the same process. Select the burn layer. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E key to merge the layers. Left-click on the layer and click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter at the menu bar and click Camera Raw Filter. Set the profile to color. Open the basic. Here you can see the settings. Just follow the same process as I am doing it. You can see the changes on the picture as you adjust the settings. Click OK once you are done. You can see the before and after. Go to Adjustment Layer. Click Solid Color. The color number is FFDOB9. Then click OK. Change the blending mood to multiply. Reduce the opacity. I will rename the layer to Skin Tone. Open Adjustment Layer. Click Brightness and Contrast. Set the brightness to 20 pixels and contrast to 4 pixels. Double-click to open Brightness and Contrast. Reduce the brightness to 13 pixels. Select the Brightness and Contrast layer. Press Ctrl-Shift, Alt and E key to merge the layers. Right-click on the layer to open Blending option and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Adjustment Layer and click Photo Filter. Open the filter and select Warming Filter 85. You can adjust the density to your choice. Let us work on the eye. Select the photo filter layer. Create a new layer on top of it. Open the foreground color to change the color. I am using a lighter blue. Select the brush tool. Set the opacity to 100% and flow to 100%. Zoom in with Ctrl+key. Reduce the brush size with bracket key. Then brush over the eyes. Set the blending mood to color. Create another layer on top. Open the foreground color to change the color. Then brush part of the eyes. Select the down layer and reduce the opacity. Click Add Layer Mask. Make sure the foreground color is black. With the brush tool, brush over the black part. Select the top layer. Create a new layer on top of it. Open the foreground color to change the color. Change the blending mood to color and brush part of the eyes with the brush tool. Add a layer mask. And clean some part with the brush tool. Select the second layer and reduce the opacity. Let us add a little color on the lips. Select the top layer. Create a new layer on top of it. Open foreground color to change the color. Select the brush tool. Change the blending mood to color. Zoom in. Brush over the lips with the brush tool. Add a layer mask. Clean over the edges with the brush tool. Reduce the opacity. You can see the before and after. If you like this video, kindly subscribe for more tutorials like this.